Hello everyone and welcome back to NotesNaka. Today is day 6 of the lead coding challenge and for today's question we have majority element. So what majority element means is we're given an array and we have to find a element that occurs more than n by 2 times. So there are many methods of doing this question and the easiest method that we can think of is keep a count of each of the element and find out if it is more than n by 2, and if it is then we can return that number, but that will take a lot of complexity. It will become n square as we have to iterate twice and we also have to keep count in different variables. That will also take extra space, so we do not want to do that. So what I did was used the same logic as yesterday. I used hashing. I used an unordered map and stored the frequency as well as the number. So I basically did what I did exactly yesterday. But there are many other methods of doing this question as well. Like one method can be you can sort the array. So after you sort the array and then start counting. Now when you count, then as soon as the number changes, then you can start the count again from 1. So and before that you can check if the count is more than n by 2 or not. If it is, then you return that number and that becomes the majority element. So that's also a way. In that one, what happens is the time complexity becomes n log n, and here our complexity is big O of n. Now, but in this one, we have a space complexity of big O of n, as well as we are making a hash map and storing our n values over there. But if we sort and do the question, the space complexity will become constant. So you can also try out that solution. That's also very simple to do. But for my simplicity, I did this because it was exactly like yesterday. And what I did was made a unordered map, then stored the frequency and the number by iterating through the entire array first time, and then I iterated entire array the second time and checked if the num becomes if the frequency becomes greater than num by 2 or not. If it is, then I return that number. Now here we can also iterate through the hash map and find out if the frequency is greater than n by 2 or not. But both of them will take the same time, as we have a hash map of n size as well as an array of n size. So iterating through any one will be the same thing. So I just iterated through the array over here. So the complexity will remain almost the same. So that's how I did today's question. There are many other methods of doing this question and you can go ahead and explore them too. I did that too. So yeah, you can do that too. And I hope you liked what you saw, and if you did, then do give us a thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel, and if you have something to say or you want to give us some suggestions or feedback, then please leave it down in the comment section. And thank you for watching today's video. We'll see you tomorrow again. Bye and take care.